Hi guys, welcome back to the Camper Dan Files. My name is Chris. In today's video, we're going to be making a repair to the OEM flat fork connector for towing. Okay, so here's my stock plug. I don't know if you guys can make that out. There's actually dirt and rocks and everything else shoved in here. And I don't think this thing has been used recently. Maybe once a few times in its life. But this originally came with a little dust boot that's supposed to go over this guy. That thing is long gone. But I went to the pick apart yesterday and I pulled this particular harness off of another Pathfinder. I believe it was a 2001. It's a perfect match. I've actually cut off the old output for the trailer plug here at the end. And I went ahead and wired in this one that I got from the pull apart. There's a bracket that I'm going to be mounting this to, and I got some heat shrink here that I'm about to attend to. And then after that, I'll go ahead and put that mounting bracket on, and then it will be mounted right here. A little bit of luck there and a little bit of blessings, but we're going to go ahead and pull this heat shrink down and over. We'll get all of that organized, ready to go. So here we have all of our heat shrink tubing in place. Sadly, I don't own a heat gun currently. I did get these heat shrink tubes in an assortment pack from Harbor Freight. So my wife was nice enough to let me use her beautiful blow dryer. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that. But I am gonna get myself a dedicated heat gun to work on these types of projects going forward. Guys, we have success. So all I did was simply match up these colors. I have the heat shrink tubing on now, all nicely done, as best as I can do it anyway. Now I'm just gonna put conduit on here. I did test the connector, everything works. So now I'm gonna place this into this bracket here, because this was the one that was on the truck. As soon as I get the old connector out. It's been setting up here for about 30 minutes, so I think they should come out now. And here we have our final product. Everything has been put back together, and it looks like it belongs. So we're gonna go ahead and end today's video here, guys. Thanks again for stopping by. Until next time, please like, share, comment, and subscribe.